Okay, so this will be the final stage of the child routes, and I've done a few more modifications to the HTML component, to the HTML files. So the first changes have been conducted to the home.component.html. You have this line which has been added. So we're basically creating a link which is routed to accounts, and this is being done in the home component. Now, if we go into the account.component.html, this is just an example of how not to do it, and this is an example of how to do it. Why is this how not to do it? Because we're creating a routed link with the slash accounts, and when you have this slash, it begins looking at the root. This is not always a good idea because this name accounts, it might be changed or something like that. But if you list it in a dynamic fashion like this, that means that even if the account's name changes, this should still work. Let's go ahead and take a look at the site and see how this actually looks like. So if I just open up the default site, okay, again it says, hey, personal finance, welcome to personal finance. This is the home component, and I can click on look at your accounts, and I can go ahead and click on create a new one. So let's go ahead and look at our accounts. And our account, when I click on look at our accounts, I get this. So I can say all accounts, or even go into the create a new account here where I can actually do it. And if I just type in slash accounts and press enter, this is going to take me to a listing. As you can see here, this is what we have done in our code. We have configured this to be the default. Okay, so we have done some separation again, and our application is beginning to look more and more and more like something from the real world and not something from a school demo, so to say. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this part, by the way, because I would like this to be more dynamic, and I'm gonna go ahead and save that. Let's just Control S. Okay, so bid you farewell, and let's go ahead and jump into the next chapter.